Hi, it's Rich here at ITS and I'm looking at my top 5 picks of our bargain bundles that are now available at its.co.uk. Let's start over here and have a look at the Makita MT series SDS drill. Incredibly popular machine this. It's a corded SDS drill available in 240 volt only, but it's a free mode machine, so plenty of all the modes you're going to need when you're doing any sort of hammer drilling or chiseling. We're going to bundle that in with the SDS, the 17-piece SDS drill bit set. So you've got your masonry bits over here for your drilling, but you've got your points and your chisels as well in there as well. It's a really nice comprehensive set. And normally we'd sell that to you for 140 quid on its own, but right now we're going to give you that to you for half price, all bundled in together. So it's just 70 quid, just 70 quid, 70, which is 84 quid when you include the VAT. So 70 quid plus 84 quid including the VAT for the SDS and the bit set as a bit of a bundle. While we're on Makita, let's have a look at the 10.8 volt kit. Personal favourite of mine, as I've mentioned before, because I do own this myself at home. If you hadn't had a look at subcompact before, I very much recommend you do, because it's ideal getting into all those annoying little places. We've got a combi drill and an impact driver there, so a brilliant little two-piece kit, as well as the slide-on batteries that make it even smaller and even lighter, but they are lithium ion. That all comes in this really nice canvas case with the charger as well. Normally I'd be looking for 140 quid for that on its own, but right now we're going to chuck you in a Makita multi-tool. So this really nice, sort of basically like a grown-ups version of a Swiss Army knife, a bit like a Leatherman, that sort of thing, but this is a Makita branded one. And like I said, normally we'd be looking at over 140 quid for that and the multi-tool, but just £120 as it is for the two-piece kit and for the multi-tool as well. So, you know, that's worth 170 quid, but we're going to give that to you at a saving of 50 quid. So just 120 quid, excluding VAT, 144 quid when you include the VAT for the Makita 10.8 volt bundle. Now we head over to Vaunt. So this is a particular favourite, you know, firm favourite of everyone here. The Vaunt hand tool kit, 46-piece hand tool kit, is a brilliant value. So you're going to get the bag and all these tools we've got laid out in front of me here. So we've got what we've got. We've got the level, combi square, all these screwdriver bits, and the multi-head with the additional screwdriver bits and all these screwdrivers. You got the adjustable wrench, the pliers, the snips, hacksaw. You got a tape. Hex key set, and you've got a knife with additional blades as well. So that's all the hand tool set. As well as that, we've got the 6-piece chisel set. So we've got a single steel construction. These are sharp and ready to go. We've got a 6-piece in the chisel roll here that rolls up really nice and tidy, keeps them nice and organized there as well. So that bundled in together as a sort of a Vaunt hand toolkit bundle, we'd normally be looking at something like 118 quid for that all individually. Real nice set. What we're going to do is we're going to do it for just 50 quid. Everything you see here in front of me, just 50 quid plus VAT, which is 60 quid when you include the VAT. Oh, what an absolute bargain that is for the chisels and the Vaunt hand tool set there as well. Real nice set that. So then Dewalt, don't worry, you're not going to be left out, guys. Let's have a look at this 3-piece set. What have we got? We've got real good high quality Dewalt accessories. Got a 32-piece screwdriver bit set, a 13-piece HSS bit set, and we've got this really nice little Flexi Torque collection with the carabiner to stick it on your belt or anything like that. If you don't know what the Flexi Torque bits are all about, basically this area in the middle, that will flex rather than break. So these are really sturdy, good quality screwdriver bits for all your screwdriving or your impact driver needs. And that set would set you back about £32, but we're going to give that to you for just 15 quid. So virtually half price when that's all bundled in together, saving a 50% on that set. So 15 quid plus the VAT, which is 18 quid when you include the VAT. And last but by no means least, one of my favourites here is Makita Combi Drill. Can't go wrong with the Makita Combi Drill. This is the DHP 482 General Duty Combi Drill. We're going to throw you in a 3 amp hour battery with that as well. So it's the drill and the battery. If you've got a battery, we're going to need a charger. So we'll throw you in one of the chargers, fast charger. That will charge that battery in just 22 minutes. So that's absolutely ideal. Whilst you're on Makita there, we're going to also chuck you in a DML 186, which is a torch that also uses one of those batteries as well. So torch that will be compatible with that battery. And then also, just to make it worth your while, we're going to chuck you in ITS tool bag to put it all in. And of course, who doesn't want an ITS thermos mask and an 8-meter tape measure as well from ITS as well. Real sturdy, good quality tape measure as well as all of that. So you've got the drill, the battery, the charger, the bag, the mug, the tape, the tape and the torch. What an absolute bargain that is for just £100. All of that together is just going to set you back £100 plus the VAT, so 120 quid if you include the VAT. That's a saving of over 100 quid. So again, more than 50% off with all of that bundled in together. So there you go, there are my 5 picks this weekend for our bargain bundles. There's over 150 bargain bundles available at its.co.uk. Here's are just some of my favourites. So make sure you go over there, head over to its.co.uk, take a look at the bargain bundles and see where you're going to save yourself some money. I'll see you in a bit.